Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel, and today I wanted to show you something really cool. One of our subscribers had asked if it was possible to do the PewDiePie effect with Filmora. It actually is, and it's really simple, so let me show you how. So the first thing we want to do is open up Filmora. We've got a piece of footage preloaded in here, so we're gonna grab that and drop it in our timeline, and then go into our transitions menu. You'll see that there's a drop down for ripple and dissolve. Click on that and you'll find the swirl transition. Drag it down into your timeline to the end of your video clip. You want the clip to be longer so that the swirling motion will be slower. Click on it and drag it back towards where you want it to begin, and let's see what you have. There we go, the PewDiePie swirl. Now we just want to go over and render our file, and once it's done rendering, then you can just cut it down to the correct length you need to use in your project. I wonder if that's copyrighted. You think I can do that too? If I start doing it, am I gonna get sued by PewDiePie? Peace.